every day I thank God for the day I started my YouTube journey. It wasn't easy, but YouTube has opened a lot of God-given talent in me that I don't know exists before. CapCut is my first editing app, and it's the only one I used until this time. From being an amateur and someone that don't know anything about video editing or editing, I have grown. When I look back at my older video, I know I improve daily in editing. Right now, I'm even seeking a career path in editing. Amen. I know it's going to come true. I'm speaking into existence right now. With that being said, I know I'm in the right position to share my favorite features in CapCut app. The features in CapCut right now is not the same feature that was there 1 year or 2 years ago, and I'm so happy about that. This leads me in what I'll be talking about in this video. In today's video, I will be talking about my favorite features I use in CapCut, what I use them for and how I use them. So keep on watching if you want to learn. Hello Sprinkles, my name is Donna and I'm a YouTuber based in Lagos, Nigeria, and I upload videos on personal improvement, how-to videos and vlogs. If this is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe. Click on that red subscribe button and subscribe, and also don't forget to click on your bell notification. That way you'll be the first person to be notified when I post a new video. Okay, I always ask you to subscribe because I post value-packed educating video. Check out my other video and you will definitely gain value from it. In today's video, I will be talking about my 5 favorite features in CapCut editing app that I use and how I use it and what I use them for. Keep on watching to learn. You're wondering why I'm sitting in this position instead of sitting at the middle. That is because I'll be showing and sharing my screen with you guys at this place. Just sit down tight and enjoy the video and you will definitely learn something today. Mind you, these features I'm going to talk about, I always use them anytime and every time I open my CapCut app to edit anything. Aside YouTube, I have a hair business and I always shoot hair content video. So I always edit those videos too on CapCut. And if you check on my shorts, you will notice that I film more of cooking video on shorts and TikTok. I also edit that on CapCut. Most times I edit my thumbnail or my pictures on CapCut. Most times I use Canva, anyone, just as the spirit leads, but I edit all my videos on CapCut. Now these features I'll be talking about are what I use to enhance and make my video look beautiful and professional to an extent just with my phone. Secondly, these features I'm talking about, I didn't arrange them in any order. I just named them how I use them. Okay, so let's go into the first feature. The first feature I always use on CapCut for my videos is filters. Just like the name implies, filter. I use it to enhance the face of my video. Because I'm using an Android phone, the camera quality is not that great, so I just place this filter on the front of my phone to enhance that video I have shot already from my phone. Okay, so filter helps to smoothen and even help your background look beautiful. It can take a video from rough to looking straightened and looking cute. Just depends on the kind of filter you use. In the filter option in CapCut, it has other options like live, food, ambience and the rest of them. Go to the filter option, you will see different options there for different thing you want to use it to do. If you have a food content, there's a filter option for that. If you have just a live, that is yourself, video content, there's an option for that. So different, even the weather, there is an option for the weather. So when you go to CapCut and you go to filters, you will see the different option there. So I make sure after editing my video, I go to filters straight and apply the one I like. When I shoot a sit down video like this, I always use live then I use clear, so everything will look neat and clean. Okay, into editing too, and you're a content creator, you can also check out this filter option in Capcut. So my sprinkles, the next feature I'll be talking about, that is the second feature I use in Capcut to edit my video, is adjust. Yes, the adjust option. Adjust option for me is very, very important because it contains so many options in it that helps enhance my video and make my video looks professional to an extent. Okay, because there's levels to this editing, there's levels to phone filming. What an Android phone quality will film and what an iPhone phone quality will film can never be compared. All these features are dear to my heart, but I have to put them in number. But adjust is one of my favorite feature that I don't forget to use. I use adjust to even correct my lighting and my skin tone. I also use it to even do little color grading. Adjust is very, very important. There is sharpness, there is brightness, there is contrast, there is saturation and others there. So when you go to adjust, you check out the other options and know the one that suits you best. Okay, my third feature that I use in Capcut to edit my video is retouch. I love retouch, and retouch is a new feature in Capcut that just came out this year too, and I started using retouch and I have not gone back. I love retouch. Retouch is just for your facials, your body enhancement and your face enhancement. In retouch, one of my favorite option there is smooth. Smooth, you just use it to smooth out your skin. If you have hidden pimple, it close out your pimple. It has an AI device that looks for your face recognition and capture your face, so it goes out to smoothing your face. Once you use smooth, once you type in the face, then you use smooth, it goes and it looks for your face, and when it recognizes your face, it smooth out pimples, rashes, anything. It just smooth it and makes your skin looks clear. It makes your skin looks clear. So I love retouch. I must always use retouch. I'm just giving you my secret though in my video editing, but you guys are my sprinkles, so there is no gatekeeping here. I always use that smooth options in all my videos for my face. And also the other options there, like brightness, smile line, teeth whitening. I use like teeth whitening, but I've not used smile line because I don't know what it does. On teeth whitening, the AI enhancement there is on a good level too. Once in a while I use it to enhance. If I say I laugh too much in the video, I just use the teeth whitening. Then there is skin session or waist session. I hardly use that because I'm always sitting down on my sit down video, and even when I'm standing, the phone doesn't capture my full body, just half of my body. So most times I hardly use that, but I use face option and smooth and teeth whitening. That is it. Okay, and once you use retouch, retouch will take your video from 0 to 100. I'm not kidding. Go and check out that feature. Okay, and retouch also make other features that you have used, like other filters you have used, like filters and adjust, it brings them together. It just like lock them together like padlock and make everything work together and look good. So sprinkles, the fourth feature I use when editing my videos in Capcut is the overlay option. I love overlay because without overlay, I don't think you can add some things to your videos. When you watch videos and you see that the content creator or the creator add moving videos and pictures on the screen, that happens with the use of overlay. Overlay is used to add in picture and adding videos to an existing video. Just add it, the video will be playing, and if you want that other video you add in it to be playing, two of them will play together. In this video that I'm sharing with you guys, I am going to use overlay feature to add in pictures and videos to this one because I am trying to make illustration. You use overlay as illustrator because you use it to add video or picture to an existing video. Just like the way I'm speaking to you now, if I want to show you something to make you understand what I'm talking about, I will add the overlay. I will use the overlay feature to add what I'm talking about to make my video interesting and make it more understanding. I'll be using more of overlay in this video because I am talking about something. I'm trying to illustrate something and talk about it, and you won't understand most of them if I don't illustrate them by using the overlay option to put the video at the side, just like I told you. That way you understand what I'm saying, or when I'm talking about a particular thing, I can take the picture and insert it close to me through the overlay option. That's so you will understand what I'm talking, so the viewer or the person watching you will understand what you're talking about. So with that overlay, how will you do that? Not be able to add pictures or add videos to your existing video. Hope you understand my point. Overlay is non-negotiable for me. It is my favorite feature and I use it every single time. Overlay, you can increase, edit, widen, and you can play around with it. It has so many features. Overlay is very, very important, and it's even meant to be my first, but let me leave it in this number because I'm not doing it according to number. But I love overlay. I use it every single time. Okay, so guys, let's move on to the last and final feature. My sprinkles, the fifth and final feature I use in Capcut when editing my video is text. Did you guess it right? Maybe not. Text, yes. You'll be surprised. What? Text, yes. I don't remember a time I have filmed a video or I'm editing a video that I didn't use text. As the name implies, all of us, if not everybody, knows what text is and what you do with text. And in Capcut, you have many options for your text. You can beautify your text the way you want. It's very hard for you to watch a video and you don't see a text on the screen. In this video, you will see a text. In every video, you will see text, because text, you use text to explain or illustrate or tell something. You just feel you have to put little captions on your screen so they will understand what you're talking about, or write out what you're talking about. So text is very important and it cannot be negotiated. It is important. I use it for all my videos every single time. When you get to text in Capcut, there are other options in text that I enjoy using. Example of those options are, I use fonts. Capcut has a lot of fun fonts and attractive fonts that you can use to enhance your text writing. My favorite font to use in Capcut is Aurora. I love Aurora. I use it every time. There are other ones there too. You'll be seeing them on the screen. You have different fonts to even suit what you want. And in fonts, there are other options there too, like auto captions. We have stickers, then we have animations. These options have different things they do and what they do. Auto captions help you write out what you're talking about. Like as I'm speaking, like I'm writing it out here on the screen. That is it. It just helps you make your video funner and more interesting to watch. And stickers, you can import your own stickers. You can use Capcut stickers that is down there. There's different type there. There's subscribe, there's fun crying emojis, there's laughing emojis, there's different stickers there. All those fun things that you see on your screen that text does, it's with the help of animation that the person was able to achieve that. So you'll be seeing all this on my screen. I'll be showing you example of what I mean. And this is my final and last feature I'm going to be talking about in this video. If you want me to shoot a part 2 of this video, please leave it in the comment section. And also, if you're using Capcut editing app, tell me how your experience has been on Capcut and your favorite features you use on Capcut. Please leave it in the comment section. I love interacting with you guys. And if there's any question you have to ask me, please do ask me in the comment section. I will definitely film it. I can get like 10 film the part 2 of your favorite feature on Capcut. I will definitely film that for you. At this point, this is the end of this video, and if you have not subscribed at this point, What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? Please click on that subscribe button. Of course, you had value in this video, and there's so much value coming up on this channel that I plan. And if you don't want to miss out, you have to subscribe. Click on that red subscribe button as I'm talking to you. Please do that right now. And don't forget, there's no need clicking on that subscribe button if you will not click on your notification bell. That bell will help you know when I post a new video. It's going to notify you. The bell will notify you when I post a new video. So click on the bell icon close to the subscribe button so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Please give this video a huge like. Your like helps this channel grow, and it takes this video to the next viewer. It tells YouTube that this video is good and educating. Please push it out to the next person. So when there's like going on in a video, it means you like it. Just as the name implies, like, it means you like the video. So YouTube algorithm will definitely say, oh, this person likes the video, let me take it to the next person. That's what happened, and the video will go viral and people will learn, and our community will keep growing and growing. Okay, the more the merrier. Okay, so at this point, don't forget to leave your comment. Leave your comments in the comment section. I love interacting with you guys. I've said so. And don't forget to share my video. Please don't forget to share my video. Don't forget to share my video. Don't forget to share my video. It makes YouTube algorithm notice my channel, and it helps my channel grow, and YouTube push out my content more. So share my video. Number one, you'll be helping another person to learn. You can't tell who is searching for this kind of content. So if you don't share it, how will it get to that person? Please share my video. If you get value for this video, please share it, and so the next person will learn and join this beautiful community. Okay, please stay safe out there, and I will definitely see you in my next video. Bye.